Coulterville, Illinois. Got a little signal area. There's 2 crossing signals and then 1 actual railroad signal. This one has a WRRS base. I don't know what the gate mechanism is. It looks to be WRRS. And then you got your gate lights, which are Rico gate lights. And then here's your bell, which is a WRRS mechanical bell. That's what it would sound like. Now let's walk over. This is the other signal. Another WRRS base. Another WRRS gate mechanism. And there's no bell on this signal. And then you can see where the bracket used to be. And then there's the broken gate arm with 1 lone Rico LED gate light. Kind of a shame to see it in this condition. Oh, here's the other gate lights here. Another Rico. I don't know where the 3rd one is. And then you got your actual signal over there. I'm not going to lift it up because it's pretty heavy and it's on top of that. But anyway, this was the railroad crossing scrapping area in Coulterville, Illinois. UP King, over and out.